Okay, I'm about to show you the Yardstash. So I do not have a shed, and it's something I actually really needed in my yard. So I saw this on Amazon. This product was sent to me for my review, but all opinions are my own. In lieu of a tent, this storage shed from Yardstash works as a permanent, but really easy to put up and really affordable shed. So let me show you what it looks like. Here it is. Here is the Yardstash. This is what it looks like. It's very heavy duty vinyl. That zipper goes all the way down. I really don't think any animals or anything could get inside. I am storing outdoor yard games, so you can see how much I can fit. There's plenty of room inside. You can keep gardening tools, you can keep kids' toys, you can keep pool equipment. You can really fit a lot. So here it is. And it's just easy to put up. It's just like putting a tent up. So you just kind of assemble it. You cross the top here, and then you feed it through these plastic pieces, and then you can put it into the ground. So yeah, it's really been convenient and great to have. Way more affordable than a shed. And I'll show you again just how it zips up. So there is a zipper here and there's a flap. So this is the bottom of the unit.